Hi, welcome back to my channel. And now I just want to share some adventure activities done at Rishikesh by me and my friends. I'll explain you guys the clear details about the river rafting in Ganga. Okay, first of all, we started our trip from Chennai to Delhi by flight. And from there, we taken a car and started to Rishikesh. In Rishikesh, we already booked a river rafting done by Red Chilli Adventure Team. They have half day river rafting or full day river rafting trip on the Ganga in Rishikesh with different type of packages. We went for Marine Drive 26 kilometers. It takes 3 hours 30 minutes for the rafting taken from start to end. What makes this tour special for us? 10 rapids, body surfing, cliff jumping, safety kayaker, snacks and soft drinks. There are 5 types of rapids in this route: blind mice, crossfire, roller coaster, golf course and clubhouse. The trip begins with a 45 minutes to 1 hour drive to the starting point where an appropriate safety briefing is issued while the rafts and other gears are made ready. The point to take note is that this is a fairly easy stretch, even though at times an unexpected hydraulic or big waves might appear, which are effortlessly handled by the team. The rafting done the river is totally takes 2 to 3 hours, even though it could take as long as 3-4 hours in the month of December and January. We finish our rafting trip just before Luxman Jhula in Rishikesh, and then from there it will take 5 minutes drive back to the Red Chilli Adventure office.
Make sure everybody you lean all the way front, both arms dig into water vertically and then pull back. But everybody need to go same time. Is that clear everybody? And please use upper body strength for that. Okay? Next command is back pedal, you're sitting same place. This time lean all the way back, dip your blade and push forward. Easy, back to front. So that way we can avoid some sharp rocks, we can avoid the abrupt part of the rafting. And the next one is going to be a best and favorite on the water, that's called stop or relax. No worries, we got lots of relaxing time for you. When I say stop everybody, always do one thing. Take out your blade from the water, keep this pedal on your thigh and one hand goes over your pedal somewhere on the rope when I say stop. If you hear the next command call, get. Any idea guys what does it mean? Absolutely, you get inside the rope. When we say get down, one hand on your T-piece, one hand over your pedal and you get inside the rope. Do not jump into water. Okay, make sure we need your weight on the floor and there is less chances of falling in. Okay, get back and ready again for the next commands. So all happy everybody?
Yeah.
Any questions? I know you all have beautiful faces. You need to keep a smile all the way. Okay, once again my name is Dave. I'm going to be your guide. We have Anup is going to be a safety kayaker, and of course we have Devang, we have Anna, Shrestha, Balu. You need to speak up louder, man. And we have Maddie, Ranjan, we have Kalam, and now it's one family, everybody. Okay, thank you so much. Woohoo!
Alright, so I have just only 2 sides for your rescue, just back side and front side. If I offer it from the front, so how to hold it? This is the very simple. So always grab this handle and then bring your chest, bring this guy over the chest and put your foot over the gap like this and hold it tightly.
And Shrestha, you guys go first in the raft. Please guys, don't take sand on the raft. That works like a sandpaper on your skin. So wash your feet and then hop in the raft. It's okay, now you're already in. So go other steps all the way up there. Left, right, wherever you want. Right side over there. Perfect. And Maddie, you'll be sitting left side, just next to her. Okay?
You want me to step from here?
Yeah, yeah. Go for it, please.
Come from this side.
Yeah, yeah. That's easy.
Abu, Spartans.
Yes,
Spartans.
Balu, can you tighten your jacket a little bit? Only the middle one. Perfect. Next to Balu and Ranjan, please get in the raft. Take your pedals. Good. You can remove your slippers or you can open the slipper in the back. Are you sure? Are you guys ready to go? Woohoo! Nice.
Bolo Ganga Maiya ki.
Yay!
Ganga Maiya ki.
Where are your oars today?
I'll use a normal paddle today. So, yeah. So when we have less than 8 people, then we use that oars, which is more comfortable and reliable for the other people. But when we have 8 people, it's enough for the raft. Then I use only the paddle stick. I'll be sitting in the back, and from there I'll be giving you the direction. Okay, everybody, we have Hannah and Callum leading our boat. Hannah is leading from the right side and Callum leading from the left side. Make sure whenever you paddle, guys, you need to follow your front leader or front paddlers, and we need to go same time. Okay, so let's high five your paddles together first. Say it with me. Are you ready? So let's go. Forward paddle. Come on, everybody. Same time. Move your body front and back. Well done, Hannah and Callum. Good job, Devang, Rachel. You guys also need to follow them. And stop. When I say stop, paddle on your thigh and one hand on the rope. Simple. If I say get down, what do you need to do? Everybody get in the raft. Get down quickly. But one hand on the rope. Sreshta, yeah. Get back, everybody. Get back. Okay. Now, left side back paddle. Left side back. This is left side. Very good. Right side forward. Come on, faster. And stop. Everybody forward. Everybody forward. Come on. Do it harder. Same time. Lean your body front and back. Don't forget that, guys. It's a good workout, trust me. And stop. Everyone doing great job. High five. Nice. Okay, now we want to change your raft direction quickly. Okay, if you want to go to the right side, I can give you right side back paddle. So the Hannah team, can you go back paddle? Very good. In my left hand side, left side team, can you go forward? Faster. And right side, keep backwards. Faster, faster, faster. And stop. So see that you can turn around your boat easily. Now we want to go left side. Left side back. Right forward. Faster, everybody. Come on. Do it harder. Awesome. Just so that way you can change your raft direction quickly. All back paddle, everybody. All back. Front to back. Come on. All back. Come on, Sreshta. Okay, stop. Okay, my team, are you ready for the next one? High five your paddles with me. Come on, everybody, high five. Whoa! Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's go forward. Come on, everybody. You need to go a little faster. And stop. Well done. Let's go forward, everybody. Come on. Go harder. Come on, everybody. Yeah, stop. Let's go, guys. Forward, forward, forward. Come on, guys. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Please do watch next episode for clear details about rafting. Please subscribe, like and share the video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching.